guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm going to be participating in another $5 Goodwill challenge that Hillary from Old World Home is hosting. This time she's doing it for the holiday season. And a friend of mine actually just posted on Facebook the other day of a dog advent calendar. And when I saw that, I thought, oh my gosh, I have to have that. So I decided to go to the thrift store to see if I can find any fabric, whether it be a sweater or a tablecloth or something. I was looking for something under $5 for the fabric, and I found this awesome sweater in this really fuzzy fabric, and I think it'll work perfect for the tree. So I'm gonna end up just cutting that into a tree shape, and then I have this green felt that we already had that I'm gonna put to the back of it. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna make a little base with red, and then I have the brown for a little doggy treat up at the top. And then I have these little red balls to add to make it look more festive. So come along with me as I make my dog advent calendar. I drew a Christmas tree with some chalk on the sweater, and then I just cut out that shape. Then I grabbed the felt and went ahead and traced that from my Christmas tree and then cut that. My plan was to sew this tree, but then once I cut everything out and saw the different angles, I wasn't quite sure how I was gonna sew that, so I decided to hot glue it. Hot glue is so easy to use and anyone can use it. Then I just cut out the brown fabric for the dog bone, and then I just drew a dog bone. Just kept messing with it until I got it just right, and then I cut it out and glued it together and then put some stuffing in it to make it a little bit more dimensional. Then I cut the red fabric for the base of the tree, and I hot glued it all together and then hot glued it to the back of the Christmas tree. And then for the little pockets for the dog treats, I actually used the trim along the base of the sweater, around the wrist, and then around the neckline. It had a little bit of ridging, and so I thought that the texture looked really cool for pockets. I cut 2x2 squares, and that size worked perfect with the dog treats. measure the spacing between each of the pockets, I use the dog treats because that's what's going to be in them. Then I took each of the little pockets and glued the sides and the bottom so that it left a little hole in the top where you can put your dog treat. Red balls and I just scattered them all around the tree, and then I hot glued them down. Just add a little finishing touch. Then I got my Cricut and made all the numbers with this really pretty gold iron-on adhesive, and then I just ironed on all the numbers onto the pocket. If you don't have a Cricut machine, you can always trace the numbers or write them with the Sharpie or paint them on, or you can even go to Michael's or Walmart and get the numbers. We actually had some numbers in our craft supply, but we didn't have enough of the 1s and 2s. So we ended up just using the Cricut machine. I absolutely love the way that this turned out, and my dog has not left that spot since we put up the tree. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to push the notification bell. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.